Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I have a confession. I love when I receive compliments when I'm wearing makeup. People tell me how pretty I look, or when I'm wearing a piece of hair. But let me tell you, at the end of the day, I can't wait to wash my face and pull that piece of hair off. And that's probably the total opposite of how most people feel. Um, they want to put more makeup on, or they want to wear longer hair, or whatever that looks like for each individual. But I just love being my natural self with no makeup and no piece of hair on my head, right? And again, that may sound strange to some people, but whenever I wear makeup, I feel it on my face, right? I don't care what kind of makeup it is, how light it is, how pretty it looks on my face. I still feel it because I know that there's something on my face that doesn't belong there. And I see a lot of the women, the ladies, they look so pretty and they say, oh, this is only a little bit. And I'm like, that looks like a lot to me. Because a little bit for me is a little foundation, a little concealer, and maybe some lip gloss or a lipstick. And that is it. I don't do the blush and all the. And I have had my makeup done. And again, I feel that it looks very pretty. However, comma. I can't wait to wash it off at the end of the day. So that is my confession, and I just wanted to share that with y'all because I know that there are some ladies out there, or even some guys who wear makeup, who feel the same way that I feel. So if you feel like you can't wait to wash your face at the end of the day, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love y'all. Later. Mwah.